All right, guys, can you see me? I'm here in this beautiful place called Oxwich in South Wales. It's a marvelous place, as you can see all around me. Now you might be wondering, how come he's speaking? The camera is so far away and I can hear him. Well, it's because today I am testing out my brand new DJI wireless mic. Actually a very exciting day because I've been wanting to do this for such a long time. You can't see the mic because you're too far away from me, but even if I move the drone a little bit towards me, we're very close, aren't we? I am using a DJI Mini 3 Pro. Still, you can't see the mic. You couldn't see it from there, but you can't see it here as well. Can you see this little metal plate here? This is the magnet that is holding the microphone, which is hidden just inside my puffer jacket. Now, hopefully, it's sounding good. I am moving, as you can see. I'm moving a lot. I am jumping. I am panning my head left and right, left and right. This microphone, thanks to the little dead cat I've applied on it, hopefully it's not rattling too much, causing any weird noise. I've only got 46% battery left, so I want to test this microphone while I'm walking with the drone. So now I'm gonna put the drone a bit higher, and I'm still speaking to you. Can you see me? I'm waving at you right now. I'm far away. Well, probably this is a bit too far. I mean, look at this place, guys. I mean, I couldn't choose a better place for this test, honestly. I'm so excited to be here. It's just wonderful. In this moment, the tide of this bay is out, but it's actually getting back in. In fact, I can see the sea on my... I can see the sea. This is beautiful. I can watch the sea, I can view the sea, I can admire the sea on my left. It's 1:30 p.m. at the moment. I think the full tide will get back in around 4:30 p.m. So I got plenty of time, but you know, I don't want to get caught in the tide. I don't want to drown here. I don't want this to be the last day of my life, especially because I want to upload this video and give you this magnificent view around me, which is fantastic, honestly. I'm blown away by this place. I think this video might be useful for any of you who are, you know, explorer like me. You like to explore, you got a drone, you want to show your audience, show your community where you're going. Maybe you are a blogger. I'm moving the drone now in the meantime. You know what, let me put it on cinematic mode, which gives it a slow pace. This is such a great way to bring your drone videos to another level, because now you can actually speak to your audience and you can explain where you are. Let me actually check if it's still recording. Oh yes, definitely. I am literally using one mic as a standalone. I am not using any receiver attached anywhere on my phone or on any other recording device. This is literally what I am recording straight into one of the TX, the transmitter, of course. And the file that is delivering out is a 24-bit mono file. At the end of the video, I'll just have to be careful and remember that the mic is actually attached on me, because this is so little and so light. You might forget it in the end, and you know, while you're walking back to your car, you could find the surprise and puff. You still got your puffer jacket, but your microphone is puffly disappeared. So yeah, as soon as you finish recording, guys, remember that you have a microphone on you. Although you don't feel the weight or the contact with it, especially when it's winter time like now and you've got so many layers on you. Just be careful, take it off as soon as you finish recording. I've only got 33%, so the DJI Mini 3 Pro is set to go home when I'm down to 25%, I think, so I'll have to like cancel the landing. I want to show you what's around me. Look how cool is this place. It's like the location for a music video. Look how cinematic. Yes, I've said that word, cinematic. Yeah, I'm sorry, but when something is cinematic, it's cinematic. You have to say that. I am shooting in the sun right now, so you can only see my silhouette. I'm bringing the drone down so you can see my shadow. It's a bit overexposed around me, especially here where the sun is hitting the drone right in front of the lens. Oh my God, I want to shoot a music video here. Okay, if there's any band who wants to shoot a music video with me, we'll come here. Or actually shoot my own music video. As some of you may know, I'm a musician as well. Maybe using the DJI, yeah. The Mini 3 Pro in tracking mode. Come on, follow me, buddy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come with me, buddy. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so cool. Look how cool it looks. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shoot some B-roll now, guys, because this place is awesome. And I've only got this battery because I was clumsy enough to leave the second battery in the van, which is far away from here. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, do all the things that help this channel grow, basically. Help the algorithm make this channel grow. Anyway, I'm speaking too much. See you in the next video, guys. Bella!